Rob here from Media. In this video, we're going to be talking about the counter element in Elementor, so stay tuned. At Media, we help companies to grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks, and marketing techniques. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels, social media, and much more. We're always releasing new content on our YouTube channel, so make sure you click the like, subscribe, and notification button to make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about an exclusive offer we have on at the moment. We're giving away free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people that click the link in the description. We're going to be putting this link in the description of all of our videos, so make sure that you get in there as quick as you can. Within Hub we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on how to build a website using Elementor. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click the link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Hello! In this video, we're going to be talking about the counter element in Elementor. Before we begin then, I've got a page layout of Elementor full width. I've got one section here with one column in, and I've changed the background color of the section to blue. To get back to our elements then, we just need to click the grid here. So let's search for counter in our search widget. There it is, and we'll drag it into our column. So you could have multiple of these on your website, maybe 3 in a row, but we're just going to style one for now, and you can go back through this and do as many counters as you like. In this scenario, let's pretend that we are trying to tell people about how much money we have raised for our charity. So in this video, we're going to go through content and style. We're not going to go through advanced because a lot of these options have their own videos. So let's go to content, and we're going to start on the number 0, which is the default value. You can start on whatever number you like. Next, we've got the ending number. Let's say we've raised £100,000. The next option is the number prefix. So this doesn't have to be a number, could be if you like. For example, you can see it's on the start there, but I'm actually going to put this as pounds. So now we can see that we've raised £100,000. Then we've got the number suffix. This again doesn't have to be a number, but let's just say I've raised £100,000 each year for the last few years. So I'm just going to put in here per year. Then we've got the animation duration. So the smaller the number this is, the quicker it's going to take. So for example, if I put 100 in, it goes really quickly. But I could put 10,000 in and it will take a lot longer. As you can see, it's still counting up. I'm going to put this back down to the 2000 that it was. Now we've got the separator, the 1000 separator. So we can show this, or we can hide it. I'm going to leave it on. And then we can choose whether we want the separator to be a dot or even a space. But I'm going to leave it on the default. Now we've got the title of our counter. I'm just going to change this to money raised. So that's it when it comes to the content of this counter. Of course, you can put in whatever figures you like, whatever prefixes you like, or your suffixes. I'll leave you to it. I'm going to stop for a moment so you can pause the video, add your own counters in, and we'll come back and we'll style this. Let's style our counter then. So top left, click style, and here we have just a few options. So we've got the number. We can change the color of the text. It can be whatever color we like. We can have orange, green. I'm going to go with the green. Then we've got typography. So I want this to be Josephine Sands. The size I'm happy with. I'm going to go with 300 weight. Close that. Then the title we can change to white. And the typography I would like to be Amatic SC. Let's make that a bit larger so it's clear. And a bold weight. And there we have our counter. Obviously, You can change the colors to whatever you like. This isn't the nicest looking counter you've ever seen. You could even go into advanced. You could add a background color if you like. Go to background, put classic in. You could put an orange background in, for example. You could then put a border in. Let's put a white border in with a width of 5. And maybe some padding in there as well. So that's one counter. You could have a row of 3 if you like, counting up money, months, years, whatever you like. But if you're happy with your work, don't forget to go down to the green update button, and we will see you in the next video.